How to swap faces in Photoshop. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can swap faces in Photoshop. So let's get started. So over here, as you can see, I have two images right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this guy's face over onto this guy. To do that, we want to select the lasso tool, which I already have done it. Then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and zoom in and just simply take the face of this guy, of the source image, like so. And once you're done, all you have to do is select the move tool right here and just simply move this face. So what you want to do is just take the face, move it, and go to the other panel and just simply drop it over here like so. And let me just zoom in a little bit. There you go. Next, what you want to do is just simply select it and come over here onto the layer panel, and then just simply go ahead and choose the opacity and drop it to 50% so that you can see how the face is aligning up, whether you need to flip the face or not, depends on you. So like so, a little bit bigger. I'm just simply going to rotate it a little bit like so. So yeah, I think that does somewhat fit over here. I think that does fit. So we're gonna leave it at that. Next, just simply go ahead and change the opacity back to 100%. And now what we want to do is we want to make a duplicate of the background layer, which is the main subject. And you can do that by just simply pressing the Control J button. And if you're on a Mac, just press Control Command J. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and delete the extra one. Next, what we want to do is just simply select the first layer and press Control and click on the first layer so you can make a selection around the face. Next, what we want to do is we want to match the colors of this face. So what we want to do is we want to click on Image, and then we want to click on the Adjustment tool, and then we want to click on Match Color. And now we're just simply going to go ahead and match the color. So over here, we'll just simply select the document that we're working in, and in the background, we'll select the background copy and click on OK. That should do it. Now all you have to do is just simply click on Select, go into Modify, and click on Contract, and you can expand it to whatever you want. It depends on the size of your image, but for now I'll keep it at around 6. Click on OK. Now what we want to do is we want to disable the top layer and the bottom layer, and we want to select the background copy. Now we'll just simply come over here onto Edit and choose the clear option. Click on Edit and then come over here onto Clear. There you go. Now what we want to do is we want to deselect this image, so we'll just simply click on Deselect. Now we'll enable the top layer. Now we'll just select both of these layers by just pressing down the Shift button, and then we want to click on the Edit button, and over here we want to click on Auto Blend Layers, select Stock Images, and then it'll do its thing over here, as you can see. And there we go. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. It looks really, really close, but now we just need to fill it out. And once you've done that, you are good to go. Then you can just simply deselect it, and yeah, you can see the results over here. If I press Control Z, you can see the results over here. So yeah, that is how you do it. That is how you swap faces in Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.